Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how you can change paper size in Google Docs. To start, open any document that you have. And then right here at the top, you can see File. From File, just tap on Page Setup. Now right here on Page Setup, you can choose orientation if you want it to be portrait or landscape. And then you can choose the paper size that you want. For example, when you tap on this paper size, you can see the different options or the paper size that they have. You can choose any paper size that you want and then just tap on OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.